Hey guys, what's up? Tyler here with Revered Beards and welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since I've ever uploaded a video, but hey, I was growing out the beard. I guess I'll use that as my excuse. But we're going to be jumping back into videos here in 2021. And to start things off, I want to talk about some beard products from the Southern Beard Company. And so I have a beard oil here and a beard butter from Southern Beard Co. And this is the Himalayan bamboo scent. And I wasn't sure what to expect whenever I saw this scent, but it's a little flowery with some woodsy undertones. And I really enjoy it. I'm not a super huge fan of floral things because they can get kind of nauseating. But this is nice and relaxing, and it's definitely not over the top. And so between the two products, the scent is consistent. So the Himalayan bamboo beard oil is not going to smell different than the beard butter. And so these are organic products, which I'm a big fan of. And they make their products all in small batches. And so the beard oil is just like any other beard oil. Take a few drops and you put it in your hand, rub it together, and then you rub it through your beard. And then if you have a beard comb on deck, then you can grab that and you can comb it through your beard and you're ready to go. And so typically this is what I start with. After I get out of a shower in the morning, I'll put in some of the beard oil first, and then I'll comb that through. And then I'll come back actually and get a little bit of beard butter, because what I'll do is I'll run a heated beard comb through my beard because it's really scraggly and it's all over the place. And so it's taking a lot of that moisture out. And so I put the beard oil in first, and then I just take a little bit of beard butter, not a lot. And this is a pretty smooth butter. It almost just melts in your hand as soon as you touch it. Obviously you can see it's not melted yet, but it melts pretty easily. And so you just rub that in through your hands. Melts pretty much as soon as you start rubbing it together. And you can rub that through your beard as well. And it's not going to give you a super big hold, if not much hold at all. But it's not designed to hold like a beard balm or definitely not a beard wax. This kind of just moistens the hairs so they just kind of sit better. They're not sprawled out like static electricity. Everything just sits on your face, and just gravity works a lot better with your beard whenever you have a beard butter in. And so then I'll also take the beard comb and brush it through, and it's good to go. And so after it's all brushed through, I can definitely smell it. Nice smell, not overpowering, and it just works really well. I mean, I've found that my beard has stayed a lot more moisturized, and it doesn't give it necessarily that waxy feel or that hard feel that sometimes the beard wax and beard balms can give. But it definitely is not going to give you a lot of hold. If you're looking for something to really form your beard, you probably want to go with a beard balm or a beard wax. And this was actually my first time using beard butter. I've never used it before in any of my other beard journeys, but I'm pretty happy with it. And I like how it works. I just like how it's a nice moisturizer that just really coats your hairs and just helps your beard look better, look a lot healthier. And overall, I'm really happy with their products. So to let you know what's in these products, because I don't like products that use a lot of unnatural fillers and nasty stuff. The beard oil has almond oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, and then essential oils as fragrance. And then the beard butter, boy, I don't know if I can read this, it's small. We have almond oil, we have coconut oil, shea butter, and essential oils. And so that's pretty much it. And that's a nice short list. That means you're getting all natural ingredients, things you can understand, and that's a win in my book. Southern Beard Co. makes really good products. I've tried their pine beard balm. Having trouble thinking of the words, and I really enjoy it. It's actually one of my top favorite, if not the top favorite, beard balm that I've used, and it's just really good, and they make really good products. Small batches, like I said, organic ingredients, and you can't ask for much more than that. And so I'll link their website down in the description below, as well as our Instagram. You can check them out. And make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. It's Revered Beards. And make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos related to beards, beard products, how-tos, guides, and really anything beard related. And if you enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more beard videos if I didn't say that already. It's been a while since I made these videos, so I'm a little bit rusty on my outros. But beard products from Southern Beard Company, definitely would recommend. High quality products, and I'm sure you won't be disappointed. And they have a ton of different scents on their website. So make sure you check it out. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you enjoyed, leave the thumbs up. Let's connect on Instagram, and we'll see you guys in the next video.